Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Julia. Today is 28th of November, which means there are only 2 or 3 days left until we reach into the month of December. So at this point, what I want to do is that I want to make an advent calendar for my husband, Leo, because I will be traveling quite a lot, almost 3 weeks in the month of December. And Leo will also be traveling for about a week and a half, so we won't be seeing each other that much in December. So I want to make something quite memorable so that he could remember me. Yeah, I've already done my shopping to get my advent calendar going, so I want to record the process of how I prepare this advent calendar, because this is my second time preparing this advent calendar, like second Christmas. So I'm going to be showing what I'll be using and how I do it and what product I use and so on. When I select what to put into my advent calendar, because I have to get like 25 different gifts, so I wanted to make something that is quite affordable and that is a bit kind of like something a bit thoughtful, like something that I know Leo likes. So yeah, that's the type of thinking going on when I was choosing what to put in my bag for each day. So yeah, I'm just going to start ahead with the packaging paper. So first of all, I got these gift bags. I really thought that this is such a perfect gift bag to use for the advent calendar, because it has 25 packets in it, and I got it from KIITOS. And then I'm going to use these tags. So it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until 24. So I'm going to use these stickers to label them if I need to. And I haven't really decided if I want to be just writing them with like a Sharpie. That would work as well. And just in case if the gift that I got doesn't fit into this small gift bag, I'm going to use this wrapping paper. So I got this from the Tiger and it cost about €2, and I think that's a really great deal because this looks really pretty. And of course I need the scissor and some of the like Sharpie pen and maybe even a ruler, just to, you know, like stationery items. So this is what I'm gonna be using. I also printed some photos of myself for the past year. So I use an app called Layout, which is an Instagram collage app. So I use it to create these type of square pictures. So what I'm gonna do is I will be cutting them and I will put them in the gift bag. So maybe I will put like 1 or 2 pictures in the gift bag. And now let's move on to the gifts that I've got. So as you can see, I got the gifts from Tiger, which is like kind of like a Daiso type of shop in the Scandinavia region. So yeah, I really love the bag as well. So the very first item that I got, it's actually this. This is it's like a sauna towel. So I got this from KIITOS as well. I just love it. Like this cartoon character is quite cute and funny. And then of course licorice fish from Tiger as well. More candy. And then there are 3 of them. So I'm thinking I could just spray them into 3 different days, but let's see. And of course I got this celebration packet of chocolate. This is a must. And then I got this box. The reason why I got this box is that because, you know, I'm going to put some of my pictures and I'm going to write notes in it, and then maybe in case if he just want to store them, he can put them back in this box. So that's the reason why I got the box as well. I'm just going to quickly show you the type of candies that I got. Leo sneezes quite often, so he usually uses pocket tissue, so I'm just going to give this one, and some Kit Kats, and chocolate, more chocolates. Yeah, so this is pretty much what I've got. Okay, so I have laid them all out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to group them by day. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So it's almost 12 midnight now, and I have packed. I labeled them, and I also set up a small Christmas tree and then put the gifts just around it. And tomorrow I will be putting some lights up on the Christmas tree. But I guess that's all for today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!